Mosquitoes kill more humans than any other animal on Earth. Nature already made the solution. These 15 plants have been quietly fighting mosquitoes for centuries. Number 4 is backed by science as more powerful than DEET. Citronella grass is the most famous plant in the fight against mosquitoes, cultivated for generations across tropical regions. Its distinct lemony scent comes from 3 active monoterpenes: citronellol, geraniol, and citronellol. These compounds mask the carbon dioxide and lactic acid humans naturally emit, making it harder for mosquitoes to locate their target. However, the popular backyard citronella candle is surprisingly weak, preventing only about 14% of mosquito landings in indoor laboratory tests. To get real utility, gardeners grow the living plant, which can reach 6 feet tall in movable patio pots during warm months. Brushing past the foliage is not enough. Crushing the leaves and rubbing the fragrant oils directly onto the skin provides the only reliable contact defense. Lemongrass shares key active monoterpenes with citronella grass while doubling as an edible kitchen herb. A sharp, clean lemon fragrance is released whenever the long stalks are brushed, cut, or harvested. Throughout Southeast Asia, communities have relied on this plant for centuries, integrating it into traditional medicine, perfumery, and daily cooking. The plant thrives in warm, humid conditions, quickly expanding into thick, ornamental clumps that adapt well to pots or garden borders. For immediate protection, gardeners can cut a mature stalk, peel back the tough outer layers, and crush the core. Rubbing these bruised leaves directly onto bare skin releases the essential oils, creating a contact barrier. Controlled trials show that a simple leaf rub can reduce mosquito landings by over 80%, providing an accessible defense without chemical additives. In the 1st century, Roman naturalist Pliny the Elder documented lavender as an insect-driving herb in his encyclopedia compiled between 77 AD and 79 AD. Today, modern science explains this ancient practice through a specific organic compound called linalool. Linalool works by overloading a mosquito's olfactory organs, creating a sensory interference that disrupts their ability to track human hosts, similar to how DEET masks host cues. Yet scientific testing shows a significant gap between controlled environments and the open air. In a 2009 study by Muller and his team, a continuous-release linalool diffuser achieved 93% repellency indoors. But that protection dropped to just 53% when tested outdoors. This sharp contrast confirms that indoor success does not automatically transfer to open gardens, where wind and air dilution quickly weaken the volatile oils. For home gardeners, lavender remains a highly practical addition to a multi-layered defense. Thriving in USDA hardiness zones 5 through 11, the plant is remarkably drought-resistant once established, requiring full sun and sharp soil drainage to prevent root rot. Planting lavender as an ornamental border around patios and outdoor seating areas puts these aromatic properties right where they are needed most, creating a fragrant buffer zone. In 2001, entomologists Chris Peterson and Joel Coates at Iowa State University made a discovery that changed the natural repellent conversation. In laboratory tests, they found that a 1% solution of nepetalactone, the primary active compound in catnip, was roughly 10 times more effective at repelling mosquitoes than DEET. Decades later, collaborative research from Northwestern University, Johns Hopkins, and Lund University uncovered the exact molecular mechanism. Nepetalactone directly activates TRPA1, an ancient chemical receptor in the mosquito's sensory system. In plain terms, it acts as a localized irritant, essentially functioning like a microscopic pepper spray that triggers an immediate avoidance response in insects while leaving human receptors unaffected. Genetic tests confirmed that mosquitoes lacking this specific receptor show no aversion to the plant. This natural deterrent also works against ticks and cockroaches. However, translating this laboratory strength to backyard protection requires realistic expectations. Because the highly volatile nepetalactone evaporates rapidly, crushing fresh catnip leaves and rubbing them on bare skin provides only about 30 minutes of reliable contact defense. For home gardeners, catnip is a hardy perennial across USDA zones 3 through 9, but it demands active containment. It spreads aggressively via underground runners, meaning it is best kept in heavy pots or planters near seeding areas to prevent it from overtaking the garden. Potted basil serves as a passive tabletop shield, releasing the compounds eugenol and estragole naturally, without any crushing or bruising. Eugenol is highly toxic to mosquito larvae and actively repels adult insects, making these leafy green pots ideal functional centerpieces for outdoor dining. Nearby, rosemary sprigs can be tossed directly onto warm barbecue coals. The heat vaporizes the plant's natural camphor and borneol, releasing a fragrant, protective vapor into the immediate air. For a more intensive barrier, thyme offers some of the strongest evidence. Rich in thymol and carvacrol, thyme achieved a 97.3% repellency rate in laboratory assays, with burned leaves providing up to 90 minutes of airborne protection. Sage operates on a similar smoking principle. When thrown onto a fire pit, the rising smoke carries heavy repellent compounds across a broad, outdoor seating area. Together, this entire group of herbs, basil, rosemary, thyme, and sage, is remarkably drought-tolerant, simple to grow, and remains highly useful in the kitchen year-round. Members of the mint family offer a balance of aesthetic beauty and functional pest defense through their volatile menthol oils. Lemon balm is recommended by the Mississippi State University Extension as an herb with strong scientific support for deterrence. This hardy plant is rich in citronellal, geraniol, and citronellol, which mask the environmental scents mosquitoes track. Nearby bee balm, also known as horse mint, produces thymol and carvacrol. This combination repels mosquitoes while attracting bees and butterflies to the garden. Indoors, dried mint leaves can be placed in high-traffic areas to act as a natural pest deterrent. These plants require careful management. Both mint and lemon balm are aggressive spreaders that send out subterranean runners, quickly overtaking garden beds. To maintain control, gardeners should grow them exclusively in heavy containers or behind sturdy physical root barriers. Keeping these herbs in pots also allows homeowners to place the protective foliage directly next to outdoor seating areas. Marigolds are widely marketed as natural repellents, but they function differently than aromatic herbs. French marigolds produce natural pyrethrins, a class of contact insecticides. Because these compounds have low volatility, the living plants provide little spatial protection. For chemical-free barriers, floss flower contains coumarin, an active ingredient in commercial repellents. However, this plant is toxic if ingested, making it a hazard for households with children or pets. Garlic offers another alternative, using organosulfur compounds like allicin to disrupt insect sensory receptors. While eating garlic does not prevent bites, blending garlic with water creates a practical do-it-yourself yard spray. Homeowners can pair this spray with structural ornamental alliums to deter pests from spring through summer. Refined oil of lemon eucalyptus, enriched with the active compound PMD, stands as the only plant-based repellent officially recommended by both the CDC and the EPA. Critically, raw essential oil is not the same as OLE. Only products explicitly labeled as OLE or PMD provide reliable protection. In testing, These registered formulations offer 5 to 7 hours of defense. With a landmark 2015 study finding that cutter lemon eucalyptus performed just as effectively as DEET. Due to safety regulations, it should not be used on children under 3. For a highly practical backyard strategy, a starter combination of catnip, lemon eucalyptus, and lavender, planted directly around seeding areas, offers a multi-layered shield. To maximize these natural defenses, gardeners should crush fragrant leaves to release active oils, burn rosemary, thyme, or sage sprigs over fire pits, and systematically eliminate standing water where larvae breed. Which of these 15 plants surprised you the most? Subscribe for more science-backed gardening guides. Ultimately, botanical defense works best when we eliminate standing water and combine these natural forces. Try starting with a powerful trio of catnip, lemon eucalyptus, and lavender to reclaim your space scientifically. Which of these plants surprised you the most? Subscribe for more science-backed gardening insights.